Hey guys, I'm the Smurr007 and this is my first video on making your YouTube background. So the first thing you have to do is open my template, and this is for 2.0's, and I will make one for the old YouTube backgrounds too. So open up your web browser, and in your web address bar type in my website, which is iTheSprinter007.webs.com, and it should take you to this page. Once it is fully loaded, scroll a little bit down and then click on Photos. After you're in Photos, scroll down again and then you'll see this Create Your Own Template picture. Click on that. Scroll down and then you'll see this little tiny picture. Click on that, and this is the biggest picture you'll get once it's loaded. Once you've gone here, right click and say Save Image As, and it should take you here. So save it anywhere you want. So I'm going to save it to my desktop and say Template Creation. Save. So then you can exit out of your browser and open up it with your paint editing software. So I'm going to use paint.net because it's free and it's professional like. Okay, so it should take you to this page, and if you don't have paint.net, it's free, so it'll be in my description box. So it should take you to this page, and you can just change colors all you want, any way you want. Don't worry if you don't have paint.net, because it will also be in the description box. Plus it's free. Changing colors is easy. All you have to do is open up your colors window, and if that doesn't pop up, just go to window up here and then click on any of these you want. So it's pretty simple. You just have to click on the color you want. So let's say I want this color right here, so click on it and then click on the paint bucket right here, which is F, which is the shortcut key, and then you'll get this little plus sign. Just click anywhere you want and then it will work. So let's see, I want right here at the video box. I can click it and it will be that color. Okay, now I'm going to teach you how to get rid of rigid corners. So the first thing you have to do is go to Effects up here and then go to any of these. But I choose Distort to make the corners look non-rigid. So Frosty Gloss is one, and then you can go to Photo and then Glow. So you can click on Glow and then it'll glow in the background. It will take some seconds to render depending on what kind of what kind of computer you have. So then you can just adjust these any way you want, and then it's pretty cool because there's a demonstration in the back. You can see what you're doing in the back. So, and the cool thing is there's reset buttons, so they'll go back to normal. So you can also go to Distort and you choose Frosted Gloss, which will make the ridges a little scattered, so you can just mess with that. So you can see what you're doing in the back. That looks pretty cool though. So I can press cancel and that will put it back to normal. Okay, the last thing is to make banners or text. So make a new layer and then edit it by double clicking on the layer and then typing text or whatever it is. And typing will help you, so if you don't have to like delete everything and check it like that to know which one is which. So once you have done that, click on the font tool, which is A, the shortcut key is T for text. Then type. So I've chose 72 size of font, and then I can just type. Notice my subscribe is on top of my picture because I've made a new layer, so I can go like this, and it can be on the bottom or it could be on the top. But I want it to be on the top. And then I can put an exclamation point if I hadn't done anything else or clicked anywhere else. Now I have, so I can't edit it anymore unless I delete it. So the next thing is to adjust it so I can tilt it, whatever. I can make it sideways, doesn't matter. So what you have to do is click on layers and go to rotate and zoom, which is Control Shift Z. Once you got here, it'll look like this. You can move this to see what is happening in the back. I can move it like that, or I could just type here 90 and see it's halfway there. So if you say OK and move that, then the S will be cut off. So that's what the pan is for. You can just move that and it'll move wherever you want it to move. So say I want it right there, and then this little ball is for the twist angle, so I can move it this way a little bit, and now it's going to twist, and I can hit OK and it'll look like that. The last thing we have to do is add an arrow. So what you have to do is click on the arrow button, which is the paintbrush. Actually, click on the paintbrush button, and then you can choose your width, choose the color, and then you could just draw an arrow like that, and then you can make one pointing somewhere else too. So you can make another arrow, joins this arrow. So you can be creative what you want to do. So this is just the basics. You can do anything you want with this. These are just the basics I taught you. These are some other real more kind of things to do, but you can explore with those yourself. If you have other paint softwares, you can use those. I like to use this because it's awesome for me. You can use anything that's good for you. I'm Spirit Wilson. Please rate, subscribe, and comment, and rate 5 stars out of 5 for this cool looking background template.